A very good morning, friends. Welcome to chapter 3. Today is 30th October 2024. I've already started for the day. I'm very excited. I'm on the way to the pier. Today, I'm traveling for one of the most popular island hopping tour in Thailand, the James Bond Island Tour. So today is going to be a very exciting day for you and me. So be there with me for the entire journey today. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this.
Three boat, not all in one boat. Yeah. Today, everyone, if you go to James Bond, yeah, for about the blue color and about the red color, we go to Five Island. Okay, Five Island we have to go to Naka Island, relax on the island, and then we go to Muang Island for canoe. Yeah. After that, we go to James Bond Island. Oh, yeah, James Bond movie there. Okay. After James Bond, oh, hungry, we go to restaurant for have lunch. Okay. After lunch, we go to the cave. Yeah. And then we come back here. This one is James Bond Island 3. Yeah. Five islands, five boys. Somebody have yellow color. You go to visit about 3 islands. Yeah. We go to BBLA Island. Yeah. BBLA Island, we go to about this one, Leonardo DiCaprio.
Friends, if you're planning to visit Phuket for 3 to 4 days, James Bond Island tour should always be part of your itinerary. Before I forget and it's too late, I would request you to like and share this video with your friends. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, I request you to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining in. Keep watching this video till the end. Thank you. Our halt at Naka Island is over. We are now ready, all set for the next spot of the day, which is going to be Phang Island. So it will take some time for us to reach Phang Island. So be there with me till the end of this video. You're going to get to see all the spots which you see usually in a James Bond Island tour. And Phang Island is supposed to be one of the most interesting and exciting part of this trip. So enjoy this. Now we have reached the next spot of the day, the ice cream cave, which is part of the James Bond Island tour. We need to wear a head protection gear as we're going to walk down the dark caves. Basically, we are quite excited about this. This is a kind of thing I think I'm doing for the first time. So enjoy this with us. Friends, now we have reached the main attraction of the James Bond Island tour, James Bond Island. James Bond Island is famous for the movie of James Bond, Man with the Golden Gun, which was shot right here in 1974. Everyone is so excited, clicking photograph of each other and a lot of selfies. I am sitting at one corner and enjoying a drink, and I'm also busy clicking photographs for you all. Friends, now we are getting ready to move to the final spot of the day for our lunch. We're going to halt somewhere, and we are right now in the Phang Nga Bay area of Thailand. Now we're going to move in a different area of Phang Nga Bay, which is basically called Koh Pani, or more commonly the fisherman village, where we're going to halt for lunch. Friends, our chapter is coming to an end. Please wait for the next chapter. We'd like to thank you for joining in and watching our videos. Do like, do share our video with your friends. Thank you. Thank you once again.